guys, today's video is going to be my February Boxycharm unboxing. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is seriously the best monthly subscription service in my opinion. $21 a month, totally worth it. I'll have a link down below if you want to sign up. I'll also link my previous Boxycharm unboxings down below. Let's just get into it. I'm so excited. Ooh, okay. The theme for this month is Afterglow. Okay, so I posted a video about a week ago telling you guys a spoiler for this box. They had actually sent this to me in the mail and said that I can let you guys know about the spoiler. And the spoiler was the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I actually have my other one right here. So I got two of them now. So yeah, this was one of the spoilers for the month. This retails for $24. So already you've paid for the price of the box. Yes, to be honest, I don't think that I like this mascara. I think I did a Mascara Monday episode on it. I'm gonna revisit it, try it again, see if I like it. I know a lot of people do like that mascara, so a lot of people will be excited to see that in the box. Okay, next we have something from Nude Stix. This is the Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. It retails for $24. It is a super long wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding, and easy to blend. Okay, let's see. It's in the color Copper Foil. Pretty. Next in the box we have something from Touch in Soul. This is the No Pore Blem Primer. Oh. It's like no problem, but no problem. Anyway, this retails for $18. It says create a seamless canvas for your foundation with the new Touch in Soul No Pore Blem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. I need that. I need to blur my pores and wrinkles. I have tried a mascara from Touch in Soul before and I absolutely love it. It's the Stretch X mascara, I think it was called. Here's what it looks like up close. Next we have something from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Coco Cabana cream. This retails for $20. It says it instantly transforms dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into its softest, bounciest, most luscious version of itself. An oil in water gel cream texture kisses the body with a cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold, and hug moisture for up to 72 hours. Okay, so I've never heard of this particular one before. I have heard of the Bum Bum cream or the Boom Boom cream. Not sure how to pronounce it. I've heard people say both things. And everyone is like obsessed with the smell of that. And I don't really think it smelled that good. So I'm anxious to smell this guy. Ooh. See, I like that a lot better than the Bum Bum cream or the Boom Boom cream. Last thing in the box is not an eyeshadow palette. That's kind of weird. We usually get eyeshadow palettes. I don't know if there's like different variations. Maybe in another variation you'll get an eyeshadow palette. Oh, by the way, my variation was number 1 and the weight of my box is covered up by a sticker. Oh, it is... What? It says 0.00 pounds for my weight. It really does. Okay, anyway, last product is from Pretty Vulgar Bronzed Bee Bronzer. Vegan matte bronzing powder that gives your skin a natural radiant looking finish. Retails for $32. That's what it looks like. Really pretty packaging. There's the color. Okay, so that is everything that I got in my February Boxycharm. My thoughts, you know, this box is just kind of okay. I am excited to try this mascara again to see if I like it. So look out for a new updated Mascara Monday episode featuring this guy coming soon. This Nude Stix eyeshadow, you know, it's whatever. I'm not like excited to get it. I'm not bummed to get it. It's just kind of like, yeah, okay. Primer, I am actually not one to use a primer, so you know, not too excited about this, but I'll give it a shot. I am excited for this guy because this smells amazing and my skin is super dry right now, so we'll see how that works. And then the bronzer, I'm just kind of like, meh, I really wish that we got an eyeshadow palette. You usually get an eyeshadow palette in your Boxycharm, so it's kind of weird not to get one. I mean, there have been a few boxes where you haven't gotten eyeshadow palettes, but like I said, it's kind of weird when you don't get one. So yeah. Those are my thoughts on the box. I don't think it's a horrible box. I don't think it's an amazing box. It's just kind of like a okay box. Yeah, that is it for this video. I will have a link to Boxycharm down below if you guys want to sign up. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.